Hello, my beautiful YouTube family. I got the Too Faced mystery box, and if you guys want to see what's in it, just stay tuned. Alright, my loves, y'all know me. I'm Sunny. This is Sunny's Place. We do tutorials, we do unboxings, we do giveaways, we do chit-chats, yada, yada, yada. That's for you. Subscribe, like the video, leave me a good comment. Y'all, I'm excited about this box because Too Faced has the cutest freaking packaging I have ever seen. I love their packaging. And I just recently started buying it, and some of it is going to be in the 1,000 subscriber giveaway that I'm going to do. As soon as we get there, guys, I will release the details about the giveaway. But for now, we're going to do the Too Faced mystery box. Look at this already. There is a saying on every single flap on here. I think that is just adorable. I love it. So this box was $40, and then it was $5 for shipping. And I got it rather quickly, I want to say. There's an extreme amount of pink paper in here, you guys. There is a lot. We check it, as you know, and save it to rewrap. Okay, so you get 4 items in here, and it's supposed to be a guaranteed value of $111. There's a value of $111 in here, y'all. Nothing's wrapped up individually, so I can see it all. I'm excited. First thing I see here is the Too Faced Rich Dazzling High Shine Sparkling Lip Gloss. This is in the shade Raising the Roof. Yeah, y'all, I'm in a mood. I started going back into the patients' homes today, and y'all, I feel so good doing it. It was a very long day, but I felt really good doing it. Look at this packaging. That is adorable. Let's give this a little swatch and see if it smells. I don't have anything like this. I have their Juicy Fruit lip glosses, but that's it. Doesn't smell. And there's not a lot on the dough foot. There we go. Ooh, that's a beautiful nudie. Shiny. Look at that. I like that. We'll be using this. That is gorgeous. Now, I believe their glosses are like $18 to $20. Y'all, I'll put down in the descriptions. Make sure we got our $111 value. Next thing we got is this Damn Girl mascara. Now, I have received this in the past, you guys, and it has that guitar-shaped spoolie on it. I do not like the guitar-shaped spoolie. I actually threw my full size of this that I had out because it dried out rather quickly and it had me a little concerned. Yeah, see, this one's all moisturized. There's that guitar shape I'm talking about. But it is a great mascara. I just don't care for the spoolie that much. But we'll be using this, and I'll be keeping this one because, like I said, I threw mine away. Next thing we got a sample. Hangover Good in Bed RX Hydrating Serum. Just a sample. That's all. Next thing we got, I'm so excited about this. Look at that. It's a puppy dog highlighter. How cute is that? Puppy love. Oh, he's so cute. Look at that. Oh, there you are. Look at that. How cute is that? It says Too Faced on the mirror here. And then look at him. The puppy and the hearts. Well, see it that way and you guys can see it better. There you go. I'll give it a swatch. And you guys, I've already got my face on. I've got my It Cosmetics CC cream on. My e.l.f. Putty Primer. Where'd I get pore from? I don't know. Look at that. Oh, wow. Wow. Yeah. Love that. What else I got? I actually used the Makeup Geek contour shade that they sent, and I just did it as lightly as I possibly could. It's really, really dark. And then I put on my Too Faced Born This Way concealer on my lids already and underneath my eyes. Because like I said, it's been a long day, you guys. And I also use the Peach Spray, setting spray. I actually really, really like it. So I'm actually going to go ahead and use this highlighter right now because, I mean, wow. Yeah. It's obviously one of those buildable ones to where you can make, you know, gleam to the gods, or you can do what I do every day, just the natural glow. Yeah, look at that already, you guys. Wowzers. Nice. I have never tried one of Too Faced's highlighters, so I'm excited. And the packaging is so cute. Yeah. I wonder just how gleaming I can get this. Oh, yeah. She's beaming, you guys. Put it on the bridge of the nose. In there. And let's flip this around. And do the cupid bow. A little bit more. There we go. I love it. And he's so cute. He's adorable. All right, my loves. I got the Just Peachy Mattes. This is an all matte palette, a velvet matte eyeshadow palette. And a whole bunch more pink tissue paper. Chuck that. Let's get into this palette. I don't have any Too Faced palettes, so I'm really excited to use this. Okay, there's a card in here. Life is a peach, and then you, what? And then you what? And then you pie? Okay, Jared, all right. Oh, okay. This is different looks that you can do with this palette. That is neat. It's got it step by step. Not a lot of, you know, companies do that. Include the looks that you can do, which I wish they would do because for beginners, that would be amazing. Here's the palette. So cute. It's got little hearts for the clasp. That is adorable. Yep, it is an all matte palette. Okay, guys, as you know, I already put my concealer down, so let's get a look going. I'm going to try to use these brushes that I can't pronounce the name. It's the ones we got in Ipsy, the ones. I don't know, you guys. I'm going to go into Peach Tea and put it all over my eyelid. I will do one eye on camera with you. Get off of here. Ooh, boy, she's pigmented. Okay. Get off of here and do the other eye. Put some lips on and then do the gloss with you and let you know what we think and did we get our $111 value. Should we try to follow one of these? No, because I don't have my glasses on. That would take a lot. Can't really do an eye look if you're wearing glasses, huh? Okay, I'm going to use Just Ripe and go on the outer corner with this little angled brush. No name on it, so I couldn't tell you what it is. Look at that palette is shimmering all over me. Ooh, yeah, she's pigmented. Oh, I love it when I actually like a brand and it's quality product. I love it. I'm going to set that down so you guys don't keep getting blinded. Now, I am going to go, as I always do, right over my eye socket bone and that outer corner. And as always with you guys, I'm not going to keep you on here forever doing a makeup look. It is really pigmented. You can see the difference. Wow. Wow. Good job. Okay, now we're going to use our Moda brush. And we're going to go into Peach Punch. That is a beautiful shade. Tap, tap. Yes, there's fallout. that generally means that it's a very pigmented palette. So go in easy. And it is. Look at that. Yeah, go in easy on it. Yeah, not patchy. Went on real smooth. Just going to darken it up. I like to go on really light until I get the hang of what the shade's going to be like. Yeah, natural little look. Nice. Okay, we're going to use this little fluffy Morphe brush. And we're going to go into Peach Butter. What a name. This one here. And go on the brow bone. There she is. Just to lighten it up a little bit. All the way from front to back. And again, right in this area right here. Because I get really dark in this area. So I like to take the lighter shades and try to cover it up. Got eye yuckies, sorry. Here we go. Easy peasy. Now, there's no shimmers in this whatsoever, no glitters, no nothing. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the highlighter as a topper. Okay. And we'll use it for the inner corner here too. I think so, yeah. Oh, so pretty. And it completely just altered that shade. Look. I like it, you guys. I do. I like it. I like it. Now that it's on there as a topper, I'm going to go back in with that Morphe brush and do that inner corner. There you go. And I'm also going to take the highlighter a little under the brow bone. Just right there. Just enough to give it a pop of color or shimmer. What are the words I'm looking for? I don't know. Use this other Morphe brush and we're going to go in to just ripe again and go under the lower lash line. We dab, 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 and then we blend it out. That is a beautiful shade, you guys. Now I'm going into Chocolate Drift. I'm going to do just a little flick on the outer corner. Just kind of helps elongate my eye a little bit. Just that little flip. So not really a wing. But it looks like a wing. But not really a wing. Yeah, I like it, you guys. It's pretty. But we definitely need some eyeliner. Or, you know, I could go into another shade and just darken it up. I could go back into Chocolate Dip and go all the way under. Just connect it together there a little bit. Got too much. Look at that. Just subtle differences. Or subtle changes. That's the words I'm looking for. Yeah, I like that. All right. Okay, let's try this Damn Girl mascara. Like I said, I've tried it before. I do like the formula. I hate the spoolie. I hate it. It's so hard to coat my lashes. This is actually going on really smooth. It's not clumpy. But it's like the spoolie is bigger than my eye. Look at that. Let it dry a little bit, and then we'll do another coat. It curls, it lengthens, it volumizes. All right, my loves, I'm going to go off camera, finish this other eye up, come back on with you, tell you my thoughts, and put some gloss on with you. I'll be right back. I'm back, my loves. Here is our finished look. I used the Hank and Henry L-O-V-E lipstick, and of course, I put the beautiful gloss on. I didn't do anything different than I did to my right eye. It is exactly $111 in value. As far as the palette goes, y'all, I don't think I ever want an all matte palette. But I do have enough highlighters to give a little shimmer here and there. But as far as would I have bought this on my own? I'm sorry, no, I wouldn't have. It is beautiful. The packaging is gorgeous, but all mattes. No, this girl needs some shimmer in her life. As far as everything goes, the highlighter, the gloss, the mascara. Y'all know I don't like the spoolie on this, but other than that, it is a great mascara. It lengthens, it volumizes, it curls. It's a great mascara. I actually think it's waterproof too, but don't quote me on that. I'm not sure, you guys. So, like I said, this box was $40, paid $5 for shipping. It got here like within a week. I was really surprised. I really liked this mystery box, you guys. I do. So, the 1,000 subscriber giveaway, you guys, there are Too Faced items in there. Really cute ones. So, share your girl out. Make sure you're still subscribed. YouTube is running some tests like Twitch did, and some people lost millions of subscribers, you guys. Bad ordeal. So, make sure you're still subscribed. Y'all know the drill. Give your girl a thumbs up or give me a thumbs down. It just lets me know which videos y'all prefer to watch more. All right, my loves. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.